You're a butterscotch biscuit. I love and appreciate you. Welcome, friends. I'm going to share you good information. Why? Because you deserve it. I'm here to teach you the way. I'm not here to tell you to buy any coins. I'm not here to give you any leverage trading trash. I'm not here to grift you with anything. I don't care. I sat in the exact same position you were in. My chair is really squeaky. I've seen all these scams, and what I'm about to show you is the truth. The PulseChain ecosystem needs leverage trading to exist and to grow. But does that mean you should participate? No. I traded my whole career, man. I'm a full-time day trader. You got to understand, you aren't going to win. You get destroyed. You can't make a material impact to your wealth for 95% of the people. Yes, of course, there's that 1 in 20 person. All right, we get it. Just like you get 100 kids playing on the soccer field. Okay, 1 or 2 kids is going to go to the Premier. The other 98, you're wrecked. They're born with flat feet. They're not the right height. They don't have the good lung capacity. It is what it is. I'm just telling you, with trading, the odds suck. People are still going to do it though. This leverage trader lost $64,000 on Fame. Now, Famous is the GMX fork on PulseChain. GMX is a clone. It's an Oracle-based leverage trade. You buy and sell without any slippage. You pay a fee, and it takes money out of the pool to conduct the trade. It's actually a pretty cool system, and doesn't really matter because the fees are enormous. And I really do mean enormous. And surprise, surprise, what happens? The people providing liquidity for everybody to trade keep making a yield. Why? That's because everyone loses, besides a few people. The casino keeps winning. That's why PulseX, it's going to keep going up. No, not financial advice. Go speak to a financial advisor. Go buy a bond, see how that works out for the next 10 years. The casino always wins. They have the edge. This guy lost $64,000 trading on Fame. He was leveraged long PLS, PulseChain, which is real DeFi. And I'm telling you, more will come in the future. Of course, more will come. Family Friendly Show, that's exactly what she said, right? You like, subscribe, belly button, or you're not going to get this from everywhere else. Why? Why don't they teach you this, friends? Oh, golly gee. Maybe it's because my channel's clean, but their channels have the sponsors everywhere. They tell you, oh, come hedge your portfolio on Bybit. Oh, come trade. They're feeding you poison, man. It doesn't work. I don't care that they're trying to hustle. I don't give a damn. They've made enough money. They got given ICO pump and dumps from the last bull market. I don't care, man. I don't need any of them as my friends. We're outsiders. You understand that? We're never going to be insiders, friends. I'm just telling you the truth. It's trash. You understand that? It's literally like a drug dealer coming to a young school and just giving drugs to some kids. It's the same thing. There's a 95% chance you're going to get destroyed. Famous GMX fork, right? We need it though. It's sad. Like, you need it. Just like Vegas needs casinos in there, keeps the GDP going. It is what it is. But I'm just telling you, hey, I'm going to own them because I know the force of degeneracy is way stronger than just any words that can flap out of my mouth. But I'm going to own them. Why? I think, and you should think this way too, if value goes into your pocket, you can do a lot more better with the winnings than what people are doing right now. That's the only thing we can do. We see an opportunity, we have to take it. Don't participate, you're going to get wrecked. Okay? Most of Twitter people, they are LARPing poopy heads. Don't take their word. Oh, I'm winning. Oh, this indicator. You're going to hear it. People are going to start their challenges again, friends. They're all over Twitter. They're going to start the 10K to $1 million challenge. These are all a bunch of baloney and bogus trash. Yeah, there's probably a few guys who did it. I see these every few months. Every time Bitcoin goes up, 50 people start them up. Why? Because it attracts followers. It attracts other degens, and then they try to shield their trading link. It's a trap to get people who are in that mindset, okay? But you're literally attracting alleyway junkies. They're like, oh, got to make my next 3% on this leverage trade. Yeah, we all want to make 3% every day, don't we? But the stats say that is a near impossibility. If not, it is an impossibility. You can't make that infinity, all right, going forward. 90% plus of people lose trading. And don't forget, the first bunch of people who are winning the pyramid, they're making $1. They'll count that as profitable or up to minimum wage. But you're not going to get this from any other channel. I'm glad, though, you have this. That's why I focus on the long term. And with that, you're going to get some music pumped right in your face. This is the ChainLINK monthly chart. And if this can't make it any more obvious, I have this big fat arrow for your face here. If you can zoom in, or you don't even need to zoom in. There's a tiny little MACD, which is just a very, very basic indicator. Don't worry about it. It's actually pretty trash. But the MACD has flipped. The momentum was all the way red, and now it's flipped the first screen. Monthly chart. You see here, 1M, 1 month. This is a big, big time frame. This is what you want to see. Most channels, they'll spend 5 seconds on this, and then they'll go, oh, golly gee, let's look at the 40-minute chart. Wow, did you know you can get long and short? You know, they're getting paid, man. Their incentives are not aligned to keep you long-term mentality. I literally get, you know why? It makes sense, right? It makes sense. I make nothing from it. You make nothing from it, right? If you were teaching other people, hey, long-term vision, they go, okay, how can I make money? You can't. There's no incentive. There's nothing. It's literally, you've given people the secret answer, but it's just going to take time. It's outside of your control. And that's what the truth is. But people will throw the illusion of control in there. I don't give a damn. I'm doing what I think is right and what I know works. So yeah, this MACD has swooped from red to green. I like using the super trend. It's cool. ChainLINK leading the market up. I've only been talking about it for 3 years. It's super strong fundamentals. How many times did people come and tell me the token's not needed? It doesn't work. It's trash. Ethereum's going to keep gaining value. And I said, you are maybe right. I don't care. I'm still staying long. You see that? I don't care. Too many of you are paper hands. Too many of them had sold, and I don't give a damn. You know why? Because we wrestle crocodiles part-time in a dusty room, and that's exactly what we're here for. See this little love heart? This is just a line chart, friends. These move so slow. It's so hard. It's like, how can we get people interested? But that's why all these other YouTube channels, they have so much fluff. It's just, oh man, it's just an hour of like, but friends, I'm watching these channels and I'll have to go through the timestamps. I'm not joking. You get about 16 minutes out of 60. Think about everybody just wasting so much precious time, all that just entertainment, useless. Luckily for you, I made my whole channel based off grabbing the most efficient, high value information that I grab out there or make myself and put it all for you in a neat package. And guess how much you have to pay me? 1 like. Share with your friends and family. Tell them it's a family-friendly show. Wink, wink. You understand? I don't want anything, nothing. Don't open your wallet for me. Open your wallet for yourself. Invest in your future. No one else is saying that. You know they're not. That's why it's no surprise I hit 5 million views, okay? So YouTube popped up with it. You know, friends, this is actually, no one actually believes me, but I don't care. I'm telling you right now. I know I don't go through any of my videos and look at the views. You see this little gray, I don't look at that. I'm just looking at the thumbnail like, man, I make some cool thumbnails. But they're like buttons, friends. That's what I like about them. I made them so they're like buttons. Like I want to click on them. Beep, beep, beep. So I don't look at the views. I don't look at, oh, did people respond to this word or that word? I don't care. I don't look at the minutes watched, nothing. I just make these literally for you. I know they're good. I don't care, oh, the people not like it. Who cares if they think they like it? You know what I mean? Like, if you want to give kids broccoli or a hit of candy, golly gee, I wonder what the kids are going to pick. I don't care. Right? You know, I'm not going to keep feeding people sugar, the sugar hit over and over again. But I know, why is this channel exploding? It's obvious, okay? I knew deep down, I go, man, if I got scammed, if I got lied to, in Celsius, all these trash influencers, I'm not joking, I will say they are scum to their face, all right? I don't care. They were literally telling us to sign up for their Ponzi's while withdrawing and thinking it's all right. No, you can't do that. It's a free world. Well, you can do that, but guess what? We are also free to let everyone else know how trashy they are. There were also Bitcoin maxis who got their accounts leaked from Celsius. They have Ethereum. They have ChainLINK. They have altcoins. I'm like, wait a minute, how do you have these coins? You said Bitcoin's going to $1 million. You're never going to sell it. Guess what? They were selling it. They panic sold on the way down. You know, they were DCA buying at 40, 50K. They've been in for 5 to 7 years. Oh, golly gee, they started selling at like 20K, 25, 28K, selling on the way down. Like, that makes no sense. You got to listen to their actions. And when you can't see their actions, You got to think, right? So me and you, we got scammed together, didn't we? They lied to us. I knew there is an insane amount of demand out there for crypto content that does not involve heavily sponsored trash, and it is trash, leverage trading, fraud content. Look, you can have a beer with them, maybe you party with them, you know, maybe go to the club here and there, come home after a 48-hour bender, but who are you to put leverage trading in front of me when you don't even have a profitable record? Who are you? It's like a race car driver, but being taught by a grandma, right? It makes no sense. What's going on here? Well, you know what's going on. They're getting paid. They're all getting paid. That's their passive income. That's their yield. And I came in and I was so confused. I'm like, wait a minute. Why do you need to do this if Bitcoin's going to the moon? And then I actually realized, they're actually frauds. You see, they say Bitcoin's going to 300K, 400K, 500K. They say that. But they were selling at 40. They were selling at 50. I'm not going to give you the influencers' names. I have word. I've just looked at it. I'm just not going to dox anyone, okay? I'm just telling you. They're all lying. A lot of them are lying. They were dumping. They were dumping a lot, friends. Now, a lot of people did also get trapped, but there's a lot of scum out there. In the same week, in the same month, they'll say Ethereum 30K, Ethereum 10K. They're selling Ethereum at 2,400. In the same month that they were making videos in 2021, Bitcoin 180K. Like they were selling the moment it hit 32,000, right? Luckily, you have Angel Music just to help you process this. They're all lying, right? And this is the thing, okay? Put me aside, okay? I'm the peanut brain. Everyone else, you put them into two categories. Either one, they're deceiving you by they'll write Bitcoin $180,000, $400,000 so they can get views, so they can get more ICOs, altcoins that they can pump and dump, right? That's the liars. So there's liars on one hand, and then unfortunately, there's euphoric sheep on the other hand. Who do you trust? Like the euphoric sheep, yeah, they want us all to win too, and they don't want to deceive, but they're on the wrong side. Look at this. I leave this up here for you so you never ever forget it. The only secret to markets is positioning. When the euphoric sheep are all positioned euphoric together, that means whatever move we have seen, that is the market pricing in their beautiful future. When the beautiful future comes, there's no more extra prices to rise. And that's why when something goes wrong, as it inevitably does, because remember, as you go through time, friends, there's positive news, negative news, right? Over time. You just know that if there's too many positive in a row, you know eventually there's going to be something bad that comes out and it just shifts everything the other way. You know this intuitively. So that's what the space is like, because I was sitting here like thinking, wait a minute, why do you need to sell this product or this service? Doing the numbers, yeah, maybe you make like, all right, 100 grand in the year. Who cares? Let's trash money when Bitcoin's going to 180, 200,000, as you say in your videos. Why do you need it? That makes no sense, right? They should have like 20 Bitcoin. They have 4 million. You're going to have 4 million in like two. This is me back then, right? This is me thinking this, you know, back here, friends, when I'm listening to all their videos and stuff. And they're doing them right now, by the way. They're starting to come out with that same trash now. So I'm thinking to myself, man, these guys that got at least 20 Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin hits like, 200K, they're going to have like 4 million. Why are they grifting to make like 10 grand a month? That makes absolutely no sense. Like, what does even this ICO mean to them? It's 50K, 100K. And then I realized, they just wrote 200,000 to grift. They're deceiving. They're lying. They don't actually believe in it. Their actions of dumping prove they don't actually believe in it. They're scared. They're wimps. That's why, man. You see it. Everybody's grifting something, isn't it? Now, I've got a megaphone and I like the stuff I've researched and I don't give a damn because I've been buying them on the way down. I'm not even going to go through their names because we'll leave that for another video. Who cares? Right? Go buy whatever you want. I just tell you how I see things. It doesn't matter. I have respect for everybody in the game, friends. Like I told you, hey, if you're an XRP maxi and you like Ripple dumping on you and you believe that they're going to usher in the CBDCs, go for your life. But I see the information as it comes in. I'm not going to always be right. I don't really care. But I know one thing though. I know that the secret to markets is positioning. And when I see too many weak hands telling me it's over, and too many people who are now going to tell me maybe at some point in the future, oh, this is just getting started. Roca Negra's actually a white horse, not a Trojan horse. We're going to be ready. I'm preparing you for that. You already know. So they're all trying to grift us something. They're trying to tell us, buy into this membership, buy into this course, buy into this indicator. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a paid group one day. I have no idea. Just what I've seen out there is absolutely trash. Why? There is an oversupply of grifters and an undersupply of value, clearly. When's the last time you found someone who's like, oh, wow, I signed up to this group and like I freaking retired, man. I killed it. I haven't heard that. I've seen people make winners in certain groups here and there. Yeah, I've seen them, but hey, man, like, people have made winners off my tweets. You know what I mean? I've even recorded them publicly. Look at this record. I recorded this record. These are public tweet records. I didn't put anything that was under 4x because they're boring. That was actually funny back then. And then I also didn't put anything that didn't mention on my tweet. So I could easily go, oh, look at this. I'm going to repeat this and whatever. But I don't really care, man. It makes no sense to do that. Where's the value? I know in my heart the strategy I did to make these, 100x here, 90x here, 48, 42, 30. The strategy I did is not going to work in the next cycle. I already know there are grifters who are going to try and do this strategy again. It's not going to work. The market has learned you're not going to do this spray and pray trash. There's too many coins. I made videos on this already. So you see the grifters, people not only are they going to spend money in the wrong places, they're going to have the wrong mindset. When they could get it for free. Aren't you lucky? Oversupply, friends, of these grifters. Most of those grifters as well. This is the worst part, all right? There are people out there. They'll put like this mathematical model or whatever in front of your face. Do you think there's actual edge in there? There isn't. It's a bunch of moving averages. It's a bunch of price history data points manipulated. You understand that? You are not getting an edge from looking at what the price did in the past and, oh, what's the pattern of behavior? Barely an edge, especially when it comes to crypto. That's repeatable over and over again because the game keeps changing. And then what these people will do is they'll take your money and they'll exit the crypto system. That's actually probably one of the worst parts. They'll put it back into a US bank. They'll go buy stocks, gold, real estate. Friends, if you're part of some grifter influencer group and they talk about stocks and gold and real estate, you bought that for them. You know that, right? That's where it came from, your membership. Think about it. Is that where you want to be? That's their strategy. So they believe in crypto so little that the second you give them money in one of the worst bear markets ever, instead of DCAing like an absolute nutcase, which is what I'm doing, instead of freaking just buying market buy and telling you what to do, like I'm going, you know what? I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I would do. And that is, I'm going turbo long. I'm more bullish than you can imagine. Yeah, I think we're going to get scammed early, but I'm really, really bullish. Okay, so I'm doing that. What are they doing? They go, golly gee, I've made some yield this month for my stupid subscribers who keep giving me money, and all I've told them to do is basically sit in stable coins and do nothing. They're going to let you down when you need them the most. They're withdrawing. That's what people are doing. That's okay. It's a free market. It's a free world. I believe in this liberty and freedom approach. If people want to be cucks, let them be cucks, okay? Everybody knows a dude where the girl's cheating on him, goes around, hooks up with 15 dudes at the club, maybe 16, even the janitor, maybe even a girl or two. He takes her home. Everyone's seen a guy like that. Everyone's like, well, how does a guy end up like? It's a free world, man. Some people just like being cucks. Okay. Some people like giving money, thousands of dollars away to subscription and VIP and all this stuff and getting no value, but telling themselves, oh my God, yes, I've had value. Oh, have you? It's been 3 years. You've paid like $5.5K. You know, if you just buy the right things, a 40x on that, you're going to make $200K. So you basically spent $200K on someone who just told you, oh, you should stay out of the market. It's a bit risky. Think about it, friends. You got to think about it, you know. You know their names. I'm just going to remind you, okay, they're free to sell the products. It's okay. I'm just telling you, they're free to sell it. I'm free to tell you they are trash. You understand? If you think that they are worth their weight in gold, keep giving your money. Keep giving your money so they can go buy real estate and stocks and gold and diversify out of crypto. All right. I'm 100% balls deep in. The yield, the return on crypto is nothing like you'll ever see. Why? It's because the government does not interfere. The price drops and the price parabolas are pure human emotion. You don't get anybody capping it on the upside. You don't get anybody rescuing it on the downside. So the value you get potentially is enormous compared to the price collapses. That's only if you believe that, right? You got to believe, hey, the crowd's wrong. Their emotions are wrong. They're sad today. They're going to be happy next year. That's how I do it. That's contrarian investing. That's buy low, sell high. You understand? You're buying from pessimists. You're selling to optimists. 100 years of stock market wisdom. We're not doing anything different here. I still see 99% of people disappear. Yet there's all these products, all these indicators, all these other things selling your channel. Oh my God, I'm in this. I just got a sponsorship from this altcoin. I'm just letting you know I'm going to talk about it. I don't believe any of them, and you shouldn't either. All right. So consume my free content. Keep your back straight, friends. You know exactly what to do. You know, my next 5 million views, I'm not even thinking about it. I don't really care. It popped up on the front. I thought it was pretty cool. They're going to come fast. PulseChain, Real DeFi, ChainLINK, Bug Eater DeFi. There are others out there. Look, I bought Pikachu. My cousins convinced me to buy Pikachu because it just named Pikachu with the Pikachu logo. We also bought Kishu Inu. Like, okay, that's a fourth dog coin. Okay, whatever. I like Kishu Inu. It looks like a cute logo. That's it. You understand? There's no secret formula out here. But I'm just here to remind you, okay? You have people out there, they're going to get wrecked all over again. And I hate to say it, but it's a game of dog eat dog here. Right? There's sharks everywhere. And hey, you want to... I'm a peanut brain, okay? But if you want to call me a pebble brain, little pebble rocks, that's on you. That's fine. I'm going to enjoy my peanut brain. And if you think you're the genius where you're going to hold your Bitcoin to $80,000 and then think, uh-oh, it's the start of the bull market now. I'm going to rotate to altcoins and make another 50x. Okay. Good luck to you. For the rest of us, we're going to pump it. Because we know the bull market's coming. But it's a bull market for everybody who's sat through the bear in recent times. And if you could, add more to your bags. Make sure you like, subscribe, belly button all. Love you all, friends. Catch you soon.